Anytime now, Fiscal Rabi Solis and the race is on. Kimagure from the outside, moving up by draw is RGA on the further outside. Lord of the Sun, Gintong Gantimpala, Flying Hope and Queen is the early trailer. Kimagure by 3/4 length, followed by Lord of the Sun in second. RGA racing third by some 2 lengths alongside is Flying Hope, Queen and Gintong Gantimpala, and passing the half-mile post Kimagure by 3/4 length. Lord of the Sun in second. Flying Hope racing third by some 2 lengths. RGA, Gintong Gantimpala and Queen. Rounding the far turn, Kimagure still hanging to that 3/4 length lead. And Lord of the Sun is still running in second. Flying Hope as they race the final corner. Kimagure still leading by a neck. And Lord of the Sun is on the outside. Flying Hope, RGA. And ring last 150 meters more to run. Kimagure, Lord of the Sun in second. But Kimagure this time by about 3 lengths now, Lord of the Sun. And finally, Kimagure, Lord of the Sun, Queen, Gintong Gantimpala, Flying Hope, and RGA to complete the arrival.